In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own online business today with the potential to make $1,400 or more in a day. Of course, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing results. Everything's based on your effort. I'm just showing you what is possible. I've made thousands of dollars with this business, and it's not magic. It's because I follow a strategy, and I'm going to share with you that strategy. And I'm also going to show you exactly what this business looks like. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job. I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of exchanging my time for money, which is why I started this business. And I discovered this business on social media one day. And what attracted me to this business is the fact that you earn 100% profit. It's high ticket, so you can make up to $1,400 per sale. The business is fully automated, which allows you to make money in your sleep. And there's community training and support, right? The community and the training is this like, it's like the life force behind the business. Okay. So I'm going to explain to you how an online business works. And then I'm going to show you like what I personally do and what we teach you to do to attract customers so you can make as much money as possible, as fast as possible. Then I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you exactly what the business looks like. Okay. If you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in my bio, right? So, first off, this is how you make money online. You need some kind of offer. That's the thing you're selling: product, opportunity, service, digital product, physical product. It can be your offer or somebody else's offer. Okay. So, with this business, you're reselling 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. So, you can earn $100 to $1,400 per sale. And the cool thing is you keep 100% profit because this is not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing, which means you don't split your profits with anybody else. It's called master resale rights. That's how you're able to earn 100% profit. Okay. And step number 2, you have a system. The system is what automates your business. The system is what allows you to make money in your sleep. So I made thousands of dollars because people have gone to my website and purchased these programs. But first, they go here, they put their email in, they watch videos, they get emails from me, and then they go to my website and they buy stuff. Okay. Step 3 is the strategy. This is how you build an audience. This is marketing and advertising. So we teach you to post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. And I also do this. Post 3 pieces of content a day. You can also go live and you can also post free ads. We teach you how to do all of this. Even if you have no experience, doesn't matter. It's super beginner friendly. So you post content, you go live, you post ads, people go to your website, they buy stuff. That's it. That's pretty much how it works. Okay. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I'm just going to be really quick. I just want you to understand how this works. And I'm just trying to make it very simple. But if you have any questions, drop in the comments, let me know, and I can respond to your questions. Now, let me just share with you how this business works, what it looks like, what you got to do to get started. Community, I'll show you the community, and I'll show you like what I do personally to build the business. Okay, so let me just go here. 1 second. Yeah, let me share my screen real quick. Oh, wait. Okay. Here, let me do that again. Okay. Here it is. Now, this is the system that you get to use. Okay. This is called a sales funnel. So, this is what happens before they go to the website. This is like the final place. The final destination is like you want them to go here and you want them to, purchase one of the products, right? Like this is like reverse engineering is we want them to go here and we want them to purchase the $1,400 product. That's the ideal, right? But before they even see the product, they go through the sales funnel, right? So they click on your link. This is called a capture page. They go here, they put their email in. So you're building your email list. Then they go, they watch this video. There's another video that they watch inside of their emails, and it takes them to the website. And this is where they can purchase one of the products. Okay. So let's say like they're ready to get started. They say, yes, get started today. So it'll take them here. This is going to explain exactly what they're going to purchase. Okay. What the programs are. Okay. Because we sell 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. They sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. So they're going to see what the programs are, and then they'll purchase one of the programs. Okay. So that's pretty much it. So you just got to drive traffic to this page, and then the page does the selling for you, right? So like if you go back to the top of the website, for example, like this is a beginner friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. a global business opportunity, building recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, become certified in digital marketing. Okay. So this is just a beginner-friendly way to make money online using done-for-you digital products while developing the skills to unlock even more income opportunities. That's what this whole business is. That's what this whole program is. Okay. And we have over 59,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So, and then we have community support, testimonials. This is your website. This is what the website looks like. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. And then here's your bio section. See, that's me in the Bahamas. You just put your picture here. You put your bio there. Okay. And yeah, we teach you how to use AI. You become certified. Okay. And yeah, it's a global business. So you can get customers from any part of the world. And it shows you what you're going to learn from the programs. And then there's bonuses too. Like you get access to our community. You get all these different bonus trainings, how to do faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas, things like that. So that's basically the website. And yeah. So let's say you want to do this business. So how do you do this business? You purchase one of the programs, one-time investment, no monthly fees. I also purchased one of the programs. I went with the 1400 because it's the best. So at the $1,400, so if you're at the $1,400 level, you can only earn at the level you're at, right? So you can earn so if you're at the $1,400 level, you can earn at that level and below. So you get 10 income streams. But if you're at the $900 level, you get 4 income streams, right? 900, 600, 300, and 100. That's how it works. So if you're at the 100 level, you can only earn at that level. So you want to be at the highest level possible. So let's say you decide to do this business, you purchase one of the programs, you're going to have access to your program here inside of Kajabi. And so the program itself teaches you how to make 7 figures, right? So basically you just go through the program, start here. That's going to show you exactly what you need to know. Okay. And then one of the first trainings, phase 2 attraction, you want to go through this training because it teaches you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. So that's what we're reselling. We're reselling these programs. Okay. So you can learn from the program and then you can also resell the program as a business. Okay. And then we teach you how to build multiple streams of income as well. So that's what's going on here. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if that's clear. And here's your certification training. Here's your bonuses. And then one of the first things you got to do is set up your website. So we show you how to set it up. Like it's going to show you what accounts you need. You just watch these videos. You watch all the videos from the top. Just make sure you watch all the videos. GoDaddy, you got to get your own domain. We show you how to set that up. Okay. And how to set up your payment gateways. You got to attach your payment gateway, your payment processor to your website. That's how you get paid, like PayPal, Stripe, Square, for example. Then you just connect your domain to your system. And then it looks like this, right? And then you test it, make sure everything's working properly, make sure your payment buttons are working, and then you're ready to go. Your business is set up. Now you just got to market your business, and we teach you how to do that. So if we go inside of our community, okay, we got over 59,000 people inside of our community. Okay. The only way you can join our community is by purchasing one of these programs. So over 59,000 people have purchased one of these programs. Okay. So here's some proof that people are making money reselling the programs. Another $900 while I was asleep last night for Jeff. There you go. $900 while he was sleeping. That's what you can do here, guys. You can make money in your sleep because the business is automated. Okay. Ding, a new $1,400 sale while resting. I love having a business that runs in the background. Okay. So she made $1,400 while she was resting. Okay. She made $2,000 in 7 days, guys. $2,000 in 7 days. Boom. She's from South Africa. So that's worth $2,000 is worth $33,000 in their currency, whatever that means. I've never been there, so I don't know. But we got a lot of people from South Africa here. So Manuela, she made $100 in the afternoon, right? So you can see they had a $9,000 day in their currency, so in their South African currency, whatever that means. So there you go. That's the win section. And all you got to do is like, you can introduce yourself when you're brand new, introduce yourself, ask questions, 24/7 support inside of our community. The community it's such I mean, building a business without a community is hard. When you have a community like this, it's so easy to build a business because you got all this information. I mean, you got all this motivation, training, support, inspiration. So you just go, here's inside of the classroom in the community, there's a bunch of other bonus trainings. Like we do these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. So we have these 90-day runs. And yeah, and the calendar shows you different trainings we got. We got Millionaire Mentoring every Monday. Tech support if you need help with your website setup. Sometimes people need help. I never did, but if you need help, you got that. And yeah, that's it. So, like I said, all you got to do is set up your business and then you plug into the community, you follow the 2 hour workday, right? This is how we attract customers, attraction marketing, posting content, posting free ads. So, for example, here's my YouTube page and I post long form videos, videos over 10 minutes, like the video you're watching right now to promote my business. Sometimes I do other stuff too, like marketing tips, mindset tips. Okay. And then short form videos. I do a lot of short form videos, 7-second videos, talking videos, right? Like little words on the screen for 7 seconds, talking videos where I'm just talking. And we teach you how to do this, like what to say in your content, how to attract customers, how to be relatable to people in your content, how to like build that connection. Because people do business with those that they know, like, and trust. So we teach you how to do that. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days, right? So I do posts like that. Also, the cool thing about YouTube is you can also do like written posts, pictures and written words. So I do that as well. And then, TikTok, a lot of us, we use TikTok and a lot of short form videos there, little short videos there. I like to do a mixture of business posts where I'm promoting my business and then sometimes value posts where I'm just giving people like education, entertainment, information, things like that, tips. So I like to do a mixture of value and business. Then you can also post free ads. So like you can post ads in any part of the world, like the United States. Let's just go here just to show you. And this is a make money offer. So build wealth, right? People are looking for ways to build wealth. So you just post an ad, side hustle, any one of these works. Like I'll just do side hustle. So I just post an ad like this, really simple. It takes about a minute. You just fill out all this stuff. We show you how to do it. And that's how you post free ads. So people can find your ad. Like for example, here's an ad I posted. So people can find this ad. Okay. They see my ad, right? Learn to earn $1,400 daily. They click here. They go to my website and I also put my community there. I also put my YouTube video there. So you can also build your YouTube page as well on your social media page. Okay. So I basically showed you everything. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com for details. Go there, check it out. And otherwise, make sure you like this, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and God bless.